Previously, we can activate the plug, and then finally what we will be doing is we should be creating the WP list table. So that means we're displaying the data as a list. So like the one that's a standard WordPress one. So to do that, go to your source code. We have to do only a few things. I close everything. And then close everything, and then go inside WP list folder, and then these are the WP list table, so we will be using that one. So to do that, so just copy the file name if you want, if you wish, or you can type which way you prefer. So go inside include, and then create this file, and then go to the source code and then copy everything. I will explain to you. Not explain, I mean brief explain only. Go to development project and then paste, copy everything and paste. So these are the WP list tables. So this is a skeleton that we are working on. So if you want to know more about it, and then we are doing that one, then that include at the top. So go to here. So that's where I got reference. So go here and then do the study yourself. And I made a tutorial for similar to about WP list table. So go and check it out. I explain in details. So to activate that one, we need to do only a few things. The first thing is we need to check whether do we have WP list table in our what can I say in have we downloaded WP list table or not? So the way we do is you need to call from the WP admin. So that's the absolute path. So that, and then we call WP list table. So WordPress do all the heavy lifting for you, and then you just check it. So if you already loaded WP list table and do nothing, otherwise go and grab this guy. So just copy that part and then go to here and then paste. So I think that should be done. The other way you should be doing is you go to the we need this one. So just copy line 27 and then go to your source code, source project, development project, and then the one thing we are doing is go to include folder and then download load this one. So that's what we are giving the instruction. And then the last thing you should do is I think we need two things. We still have two things. You should do is go here and then, because we already loaded WP list inventory list from the include folder, so that means we can create an object and then we can pass this to the views. So that's what we will be doing. So just copy this to line 43 and 44 and then go to your development project, and then that should be here. So we create an inventory list object from here. Then that one has a prepare items, so it will prepare items for you. So go and check out in here. So that one has a prepare items, and then everything will be here. So we inherit this one, and then we create our own object, and then we create the prepare items. And then the last thing you have to do is make sure you save. And go to WP inventory views. and then copy this guy. This is the same, so I call it, I just reuse the template from the GitHub source. So same in here, product. What is the name? We got the name too. Okay. Look at this one. I changed the name somehow. Okay, we have to change the name. The name we don't have to. Shall we? No, we will. Okay, in here, just paste this guy. So just tap and then product page. What do we call? I think we call inventory page. Let's go here. Copy and just overwrite. Okay, now it looks good. And then we have to change the name. So the name doesn't matter, but we're trying to stick with the source code. Sometimes that happens, so you change your mind and then so that means you guess what do we have to do? So this guy is coming from not here. From here. No, not that one. Sorry. Where I am. It should be here. Yeah. So look at this guy. So the name has to be same in here as well. So if you use the different name, and then make sure you use the same name as. Come on, not that one. Okay, close it off. So same name as this one. So make sure you are no typing errors, typos, or something like that. And then you guess what should we do? We change the name of the views, and then that means we need to update that one. So just F2 and then just copy that one or type. So that's look good for me. Okay, good luck to us. So we refresh. So what does it say? And then that's it. Page to open the no such file or directory inside WP content product table line 22. I knew it. I got a clue. Let's see. Product table line 22. Is it that one? Okay, cool. Yep, that one. The reason is because of the absolute part. So that should be changing to absolute part. Let me double check. So yes, so that has to be same as this guy. So require ones. Let me see. So we need absolute part. So that's it, that one. And then if you change that one, because sometimes, and then the other, it may be working, but it will catch you later. So that's it back in this code. So that's good. We call it and we fix. So in here we have no items. The reason is we didn't have any. That's good. So the one we got is from inventory list, and then if you scroll down to the end around line line 190. So that's this part. So if you want to go to quick, Ctrl G, and then 190, type 190, enter. So it will jump to the line 190. In here we didn't have any, so we need to add the data, and then we need to display the WordPress will be loading. I think that's just for this tutorial. Let me double check. Here it is. So that's just for this tutorial, same as before. Anything you see, comment me up, give me the comment, and the technical glitch. Otherwise, same as this guy. So make your own tutorial better than this one, and then take an inspiration from here or idea from here. So don't do any copy or something like that, duplicate code. So this is copyright. You can use this for your own projects, but you cannot create it same tutorial as this guy. So it has to be distinct, you know. You can take an idea, but you cannot create the same one. Okay, good to go. See you in next tutorial.